Opening up a new controversy, the centre has told the Supreme Court that it opposes minority status for Aligarh Muslim University, drawing protests both from Muslim organizations as well as opposition parties.
The Aligarh Muslim University is not a minority institute. The NDA's U-turn from the UPA. The government's top lawyer, the Attorney General, informed the court that the centre would withdraw the earlier appeal filed by the previous government in the Supreme Court. The UPA and the Aligarh Muslim University had challenged the Allahabad High Court's 2006 judgment, striking down minority status for the university.
Well, first of all, the minority status, which was before the Allahabad High Court judgment, should be protected. It's a sensitive issue. The present government is trying to impose its ideological control on the university campuses.
This is a legal and a technical issue and has to be seen through the prism of legality, not through rhetorics of politics. Remember that in 1967, a constitution bench of the Supreme Court in the famous Ajiz Bhasha versus the Union of India had stated that the Aligarh Muslim University was established by an act of the parliament in 1920, and that's the reason as to why it cannot have a minority tag.
Last month, the Rajya Sabha saw heated scenes, with the opposition closing ranks and accusing the government of double-speak, questioning its stand on Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. The Supreme Court has now asked the centre to file an affidavit with its final stand within 8 weeks.
There was no hurry. It should have been debated, it should have been discussed, and the country or mainly the opposition parties should have been taken into confidence. This will definitely be raised in Parliament.
The BJP says that the issue of Aligarh Muslim University should be seen through a prism of legality, not a rhetoric of politics, since the AMU was set up by an act of parliament. But it is here in Parliament and out on the streets that the opposition now plans to corner the government over the issue of the minority status of the Aligarh Muslim University. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.